Hey guys, welcome to our channel. And if your Rainbow Six Siege X is actually crashing frequently on your PC whenever you are trying to play on your PC, then this video is for you. So first thing, the general thing is you should do primarily you can check your internet connection, make sure if you're on your Wi-Fi connection, so make sure that it is stable. You can check your Wi-Fi connection speed, and if it's stable and it is appreciable to play the Rainbow Six Siege, so you can go with that, or you can do is reconnecting and switch between the Ethernet cable, and then you can check the speed again, and you have to try again to open your Rainbow Six Siege application. Or if it's also the network connection, again then you can do is connect with your provider, internet provider, the ISP, so you can get out of this issue. Or other thing you can do is click on this Windows icon, and you have to simply go to the control panel. You have to search for control panel, and you can find it here. Now from here you can find the network and sharing center, where you can find change adapter settings. Simply click on it, and from here select your current internet connection settings. Simply click on it, double click on it, and you can find the properties. Simply click on properties. Now make sure that internet protocol version 4 is checked here. Now when you have click on this here, you can find the properties, and make sure you have select this use the following DNS server address, and in preferred DNS server you have to add 48 here, and enter the alternate DNS server should 8844. So when it done, you have to simply click on apply and OK, and close every of this here. Now check if it's the problem persists. So if the problem persists, or then you have to do is simply make sure that your hardware is not from the software issue, it's from the, if it's from the hardware issue, like it is overheating, your CPU is overheating. Like from here you can find the test manager here. Now you can find the performance, and if your CPU is overheating here, you can find the rendering if it's overused or overheating. So make sure you have closed all the background app on your PC, and also make sure that there is enough space or enough space left on your memory to run this application. Or there is GPU rendering is normal, but if there is like 3 is like on the high graph here, that means it can crash your games or applications. So make sure that you have enough space to run this game. Another thing you can do is, if it's not running, then you can do is you can find all the apps that are currently running on the background here, like background processors here. So you can find the running application. So you have to do is right click on that application and simply click on end task. And also you can find the Rainbow Six Siege application. You have to right click on that and end task for that application too. So when you have end task for that, you have to do now simply click on this Windows icon and simply search for the device manager. Device manager, here it is. Now when you are on device manager, you can find here display adapter, here it is. Now from here you can find your graphics driver. So right click on it, and you can simply click on this update driver. So you can select search automatically. So if there is any update for driver available for your graphics driver, then make sure that you have installed it immediately and try to enter on your Rainbow Six Siege application. Or sometimes it can be caused from a corrupted file. If there's any file accidentally deleted or your file being corrupted, then you can do is you can open your Steam. If you have installed it from the Steam, then you can go to the library. You can find your Counter-Strike here. Sorry for that. The Rainbow Six Siege application. So it's not installed right now on my PC. So but you can find here to verify the file. So you can verify the file, or you can find this in this gear icon or in properties. You can also verify the file from here, and make sure you have updated this Tom Clay's Rainbow Six Siege X app to the latest version. If there's an update available, make sure that you have updated your app. Now sometimes outdated app can give you this type of issue, or you can face this issue when you are using outdated app for a long time. Now another thing that you can do is, if there is any mode or any corrupted file or any mode or any texture file is running on your game's file, so make sure that you have deleted them and check if that issue solved or not. So if that issue solved at the moment when you have deleted that file, so that's mean there is a problem with that mode file. So I don't prefer you to use any type of mode like texture mode or any type of mode on Rainbow Six Siege, because they can detect all the file and that can actually harm your game file, and they prevent you to open that application on your PC. So that's pretty much all thing. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.